Connecting ProGet with Visual Studio or integrating it into .NET is a great way to increase security. ProGet acts as a NuGet package manager, as it can detect package licenses, scan vulnerabilities, and control package promotion between feeds. You can also proxy packages from NuGet.org to create a ProGet feed, so your teams can use them in their own projects. In this video, we'll show you how to proxy packages from NuGet.org to a feed in ProGet and connect ProGet to Visual Studio. First, we'll need to create a new feed to proxy packages. Connecting to NuGet.org will allow us to proxy and cache packages from the OSS repository. Now we can name our feed, and we'll call ours public NuGet. And here's our public NuGet feed, populated with packages from NuGet.org. ProGet will automatically scan your public feeds for vulnerabilities and unknown licenses. And one more thing, to add our public NuGet feed as a source, we'll need our feed URL, and we can find this at the top right of our feeds page. Heading over to Visual Studio, let's add our public NuGet feed as a package manager. Let's go to the NuGet package manager settings here, and then check the box to the left of NuGet.org here, and this will prevent Visual Studio from scanning the site for packages, so we can avoid problems like risky licenses, vulnerabilities, and dependency confusion in our pulled packages. Now we'll add our new ProGet feed as a package source. We'll call our source ProGet and paste in our public NuGet feed URL. And Visual Studio and ProGet are now connected. So let's confirm our connection in Visual Studio. In one of our projects, we'll head to Manage NuGet Packages. Now when using our connector, we'll have a window populated with packages only from our public NuGet feed. Now we've configured our feed with Visual Studio, we can install our NuGet packages.
Also, we can install packages from our public NuGet feed in our NuGet client with the add package command.
And that's it. It's that easy to proxy packages from NuGet.org in Visual Studio and your client using ProGet.